One of Cincinnati City Council's so-called Gang of Five will not be held in contempt for deleting text messages.
And Jeanette Levy is here to explain the judge's decision. And Jeanette.
Well, Paula, it all came down to the evidence. Judge Ruehlman tried to figure out whether Wendell Young deleted those messages after he ordered them turned over in a lawsuit, but it couldn't be done. Cincinnati City Council member Wendell Young in court today to find out whether he'd be held in contempt for deleting text messages.
That's why I'm having this hearing, because I think it's important for the public to know.
The public's entitled to know.
The question, did the deletions happen before or after Judge Ruehlman issued an order about the messages in a lawsuit filed by an anti-tax activist? Judge Ruehlman ordered the text turned over last October.
When did he delete those?
What I'm saying to you is he cannot tell you the exact date they were deleted, but they were deleted contemporaneous to the publishing of the 70 pages that had previously been published. I mean,
some of the text messages had been published by news outlets after they were retrieved from other council members' phones. Young's attorney said he deleted the messages sometime last summer.
You're representing your client, you're a great guy, but it sounds a little hokey.
But Judge Ruehlman said sheriff's deputies examined Young's phone and couldn't determine when he deleted those messages.
I don't think there's enough evidence that I can find him guilty of contempt or anything like that.
Attorney Brian Shrive filed the lawsuit seeking the text messages and said he didn't receive one message from Wendell Young's phone, even messages from last October.
While we're not happy with the result, we think that Wendell Young did destroy these text messages in defiance of the court order. The reality is the evidence wasn't there, and Judge Ruehlman made the right call.
Young wouldn't comment after court, but his attorney did.
everybody's got their spin on what goes on. The realities are all that really matters is what's proven in court.
Now, Wendell Young's attorney said he had handed his phone over to the city solicitor's office twice so those messages could be retrieved. So he wasn't trying to hide anything. They just couldn't get those messages. Paula?
All right. Thank you, Jeanette. And Local 12 recently won a lawsuit against the city for additional text messages related to the employment of former city manager Harry Black. However, the city is objecting to the decision.